Skustack's SKU-to-SKU transfer functionality is an essential tool for businesses that accept returns and deal with products that are no longer in their original condition. Using a scanner, sellers can quickly create new SKUs on the fly, and transfer returned products to these new SKUs. In this video you will see that rather than searching by SKU or UPC, you can search for your product directly by the serial number. This not only allows sellers to continue to track the original product but also enables them to sell the returned product as used on platforms such as eBay and Backmarket. To transfer inventory between two of your product SKUs in Skustack, you need to first choose the products you want to transfer, select the bin location and quantity and make your transfer. The first step is to go to the Transfers tab. Scroll to the end and tap the plus icon under SKU-to-SKU transfer. Choose to search by serial and scan the product's serial number. The available quantity will show up on the screen. Next, you'll need to search for the product you want to transfer the SKU to. Once you select your transfer to product, you can scan the bin where you place the items and tap Select. Tap the transfer button on top, and you're good to go.